Yep. Anybody will tell me the formula for this? I'm removing it. Yes. The screen is visible online. Yes. What should I do here? This is the data validation. Yes. Now tell me formula equal to we lookup value is data validation cell. It should be fixed. Then array table. What table name we are given? List one. Comma. Column index 2. So in this case row is also 2. So I am writing row around brackets, comma, exact match, tab, enter. Yes. Okay. Then filling it up. Now if it is here, then what I will be doing? Equal to we look up comma table array then column index is row minus how much? 10. False. What happened? What you have done? Okay, parenthesis. Okay. So everybody, I'm copying this data now. Control C, copy. If I just go to this options for paste, there is transpose. This is now a horizontal table, right? Okay, this is vertical table. We look up horizontal table. We'll be applying H lookup on this. Getting it, everybody? Whatever we done on V lookup, opposite of that, we'll be doing there. Okay? So just copy this data and paste it by clicking transpose, paste transpose. Where is that option? Here it is. Paste transpose. Okay? So this data which was in the horizontal way here, see this is horizontal way, right? A vertical way. All the column headers are at the top, vertically, becoming horizontal. Okay? Do it. Done. Given the sheet name as HLOOKUP. See here, in our previous example, we have used row. Here we are using column. Sir, no? Because see, pasting, copy the data.
But if I add new value in list, then value is a project. If I add new employee ID, then here value is found.
Show me.
Account number, you select any other, add new.
Show me what you have done.
I do it another.
Pass your laptop.
I use match formula.
Where?
In a row.
Fine, but when the small thing is doing your task, why to do this much?
अगर सर उसमें बीच में कोई जो डाटा ऐड करेंगे तो फिर वो जो वैल्यू है वो करेक्ट हो जाएगा। अगर उसको या फिर लिस्ट को कहीं और पर हम कॉपी करके या फिर ऐसे ही कहीं और उसको पेस्ट कर रहे हैं या फिर कुछ भी जो वैल्यू चेंज कर रहे हैं
करके बताओ।
करियो जो आप हम उसमें फिर से देख लिए हैं तो उसमें मेरे में नहीं होगा चीज।
आप प्रो से क्यों नहीं किए?
रोज से सब वैल्यू गलत हो जा रहा था जब उसे कहीं और पर हम लिस्ट को शिफ्ट कर रहे थे। अब इस शिफ्ट उस जगह पे है, अगर उसको वहां से हटा के कहीं और पर लिस्ट कर रहे थे।
हाँ, तो तब डेटा आपको सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। ये जैसे सिलेक्शन किया है ना,
हाँ।
इसको सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। लिस्ट दोगे तो नहीं चलेगा।
आप उसको थोड़ा सा मूव करिए पूरा होल सेट को। ये जो लिस्ट है उसको थोड़ा सा यप कर एक को खाली करके यप सेक्शन।
हाँ, yes, because see my list is everybody take it. This much part I have selected it as a list. Now if my data shifts, then the A, B, C, D are not in the range now. Yes or no? Definitely it will be. Yes. So that is the understanding. That time you won't be selecting the list here. You will be typing separate formula here. उस समय आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे लिस्ट लिखने के बजाय instead of writing list, just select this much table. That's it. Select this much will work. You don't have to give a fixed value. If your data is somewhere else, you just can select that much range.
If we are adding
New entry, then this I told you, right? You have to add in this. Yes, but this is a fixed column address. It is in this columns you are adding, then it will get added under this. Now if you are selecting this much and telling this is the fixed place for my table, and you yourself are shifting the data, then definitely the fixed places, the column address will not be changed. Your data address is changed. Columns are still there. A is still there. Yes, A, B, C, D, E is the table. Understood? If you shift your data from there, definitely your data address is changing. Yes, so it's not the mistake of the formula, it's your mistake. So in that case, if you want to do separately, then you can select the separate data itself, this much part, whatever is your data. For that much data you are selecting and giving the formula. But if you want to make a fix, then you have to make things fixed there. Getting it? If you want to keep on adding the new values, then you have to keep this A, B, C, D, E, F, E. This much place only my data will be there. So like that. Okay. Now, so you are asking how to copy, right? Selecting this much, Control C, going to the place where you want to paste, transpose. Okay. Everybody, first create the table like this. How will you make this? Control C, Control C, put your cursor and transpose, paste transpose. Do this much. Done. Now make the data validation. Done this much. Now H lookup equal to. Now see here also. If I want to fix this much data, see this name what I have given, list 2. Now this is fixing. Now after this, if I am adding something, my data will be there. So this data is not fixed. The address is fixed. If you cut and paste it downside, and if you add here, that list one would not work because that address is list one is saved. That address is saved by the name of list 2 in this case. Understood? If you change the address, definitely formula will be wrong. You cannot use list 2 in that formula if your data is in some another place. Getting it? It means in your formula you are giving wrong address. Getting it? Done? Give the name equal to list what is lookup value is this, which is fixed, comma, array table, this is fixed, list 2, comma, row index. Now this is what? Second column. Here this is second row. Amount is at second column, right? This is at second row. Okay. So what I'll be giving here? Column, round brackets, exact match. Okay, fixing the values. Do it. Yes, you come here. Still you have something. Type. What you are typing? What is table and just a second. The previous one, what you have done? Do this, what you are doing. Now here,
wait, sir, I explain.
पहले उसको खत्म करते हैं। तुम्हारा जो लिस्ट 1 तुमने जो बनाया था कल, ये कहाँ है? ये लिस्ट है। तो जो मैंने बनाने के लिए बोला था वो नहीं बनाया
क्या रो?
हाँ,
रो भी बनाए थे, उसके बाद फिर चेंज किए इसको, से भी वैल्यू आ रहा था।
बट यहाँ पे ज्यादा लिख रहे हो ना।
वो तो सर ज़्यादा नहीं, बस ये डाटा जो है हम सेलेक्ट किए हैं तो वैसे बस शो कर रहा हूँ, तो नीचे ऑटोमेटिक फार्मूला दिखाई दे रहा है क्या क्या एंटर करना है।
हाँ वो तो है, ठीक है।
जैसे अगर हमको या फिर रो सेक्शन में चूज करना होगा, अभी आप कॉलम चूज किए तो अगर हम मैच ही यूज करेंगे तो वहाँ पर फिर भी उसका वैल्यू आ जाएगा वहाँ कॉलम में, या फिर रो को चूज करना हो तो रो नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा वहाँ मैच में, दोनों चीज़।
तो वो ढूंढ के सर्च कर देगा ना। तो यहाँ पे क्या है? H4 ये देखो, इसको ढूंढ रहे हो तुम वहाँ पे।
H4 किधर है? तो इस एरे में है, तो उसको पूरा फिर चेक मैच के लिए 0।
तो आपने यहाँ पे कुछ फिक्स नहीं किया ना इसमें? फिर मैं अगर ऐड करूँगा नया डेटा यहाँ पे नीचे,
तो उसके लिए हम ये जो लिस्ट वाला है सेक्शन, इसको हम यहाँ से पूरा कॉपी कर देते हैं। हम तो बस इसको एग्जैक्ट कॉपी किए तो ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा।
ठीक है, बट जो वी लुकअप,
अब जैसे सर ये है, मान लेते हैं यहाँ पे ये, इसको हम यहाँ से अगर इधर कहीं से किए तब भी वैल्यू सेम रहेगा, लेकिन अगर रो यूज करेंगे तब रो भी चेंज हो जाएगा, फिर वैल्यू ये फिर रंग हो जाएगा ना उसमें।
हाँ तो वो तो देखना पड़ेगा,
फिर बार बार चेंज करना पड़ेगा, या फिर इसको कहीं यहाँ फिट नहीं हुआ अच्छे से, फिर इसको हम पूरा टेबल को ये जो है इसको कहीं और मूव करके सेट कर रहे हैं, फिर से पूरा
वैसा बोल रहे थे क्या? मुझे लगा आप इसको हटाने के लिए बोल रहे हो।
हम समझाने पा रहे थे।
ठीक है, चलता है, बट यहाँ पे कैसा है, अपन फिक्स्ड वैल्यू है वो ठीक है, बट बार बार बोल रहे हैं मैच, बार बार कर रहे काम। ये रो नंबर गए, खाली रो दे रहा है। हाँ, तो मैच जो है एक अपना अपना फंक्शन ढूंढ रहा है चीज़, ठीक है। बट फिर वी लुकअप भी काम कर रहा है, दो फंक्शंस एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा उसको ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है
यार। लेकिन सर वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जा रहा है। मान लेते हैं कहीं बहुत बड़ा सेट है, यहाँ 10,000 नंबर पे हम सेट पे, फिर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे कि आप जो है रो से रो को माइनस करके कॉलम फाइंड कर रहे हैं। आप रो में से रो जब माइनस किए तभी इसका वैल्यू ढूंढ रहे हैं। अगर ये मान लेते हैं 5,000 सेक्शन पे और इधर ये 10,000 पे हो, तब फिर दोनों को फाइंड करके फिर माइनस कर, फिर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा ना। फिर उस जगह पे यही ज़्यादा सुटेबल रहेगा।
उसमें तो ये भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा।
ये कैसे होगा? ये तो फिर हम पहले इधर हमको क्या फाइंड करना है इसको, फिर ये किस यहाँ से इसको पूरा होल सेट को काम सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे ना, फिर यहाँ शिफ्ट कर देंगे। चाहिए अपना पढ़ो,
बट वो फॉर्मूला वो काम कर रहा है ना उतना ढूंढने का।
कौन सा?
जैसा टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी पता है आपको?
नहीं, जैसे इधर अगर हम इस फार्मूला को यूज करें तभी हो सकता है, तुरंत वैल्यू आ जाए।
So created, now make it in between somewhere. Create the data validation and do the subtraction and make it. नहीं, वो फार्मूला ओपन है ना आपका, तो यहाँ पे देख नहीं सकते हो, पहले इसको बंद करो। आपको यहाँ इंडेक्स मैच लगाना है, इंडेक्स मैच लगाना है यहाँ पे,
मैच
बताता हूँ, कीजिए, बताता हूँ।
ये पूरा टेबल इसको ऊपर करके पता चला।
पहली बात तो घबराओ मत तुम, जो चीजें आती है वही भूल जाओगे घबराने पे, ठीक है?
इससे पूरा करना बता रहे हैं। काम कर दीजिए इसको फिक्स करने के लिए।
ऑल्ट कहाँ है तो फंक्शन, इसको भी करना है फिक्स।
अमाउंट ये पूरा
यहाँ पे इसको फिक्स करना है,
इसमें आपको 42 नो सॉरी डी रहेगा।
क्यों ये कॉलम इधर जा रहा है ना, कॉलम
अच्छा,
शिफ्ट हो रहा है ना, वो तो वी लुकअप में फिक्स रहेगा, कंफ्यूज मत हो जाओ।
नाउ लुकअप है।
एक ब्रैकेट कम दिया मैं, वी लुकअप के लिए बस, ठीक है। इज इट डन? Yes, tell me the things. Hmm. Let's lookup value is account number is my lookup value. Fixed, comma, table array is this. Okay, comma, column index here is 2, row is 2, but this is column how much? 1 2 3 4 5, fifth column, 5 minus 3. So column what will give 5? Yes, minus 3, output will be 2. Then and bracket close. So can we go for next? So just give me a minute. So do we have this data, everybody? Cash and all, in which it was there. Here, you might take it from this average if we have this table here. Everybody, copy it. And paste. Done. Now sort the data. Sorted. Now go to this outline, click on subtotal. As soon as you click on subtotal, it will automatically select the numerical column for you, and you just have to say okay. So now subtotal is created. Everybody do this much. Have you sorted? Yes. Click on this outline. Click on subtotal. Clicked. Hmm? Say okay. Now done this much. Yes. Have you done?
Yes.
Hmm. Now see, I want to highlight this, this, and this. This grand total, make it some another color. Okay. Now let us suppose my data is very big. I just want to see the total for cash, debit card, online. I can just do subtract whatever I want to see. That much I can keep. If I don't want to see this also, only grand total. If I put the plus, I'll be getting subtotals. Again, in that subtotal, if I want details, then I can put the plus and I can see whole data. Do it, everybody. Done. So let me give this data for you. Copy pasted. See, this is my criteria. I'm going to give the bonus. Okay. My criteria is manager will get 5,000, supervisor will get 3,000, clerk will get 2,500, pune will get 2,000. Okay. So we have gone through if else condition, nested if. Yes or no? Just do this nested if. Everybody. If designation equal to manager, value if true 5,000, value if false, you write another if condition at value if false. So value if false will be check if designation cell number 2 has supervisor, value if true 3,000, value if false, again if condition, if B2 is having clerk, value if true 2,500, else now last one will be pune. So you don't have to give one more condition, you just have to write value if false 2,000. That's it. Done, everyone? Can we go for next? What about you? Is it done? Doing? What about you? Yes, done. Help him. Yes, you. Help him. Everybody open a new sheet, name it as left, right, mid, and take this data. Done or not? Done? Now, copy this data and paste it. Name it as left, right. Now from left, if I want first two characters, I'll write left tab. This is my text, comma. From left two characters I want. MU. MU I got. All I will get. Okay. DEPUHCHAL. Okay. Similarly from right side if I want 2. I'll write equal to write text comma right side 2 characters. Okay, let's do this much. Done. Left right is done. हाँ?
Yes, mid value.
मिड वैल्यू बताया ही नहीं ना मैंने, लेफ्ट राइट ही बताया खाली. Now mid equal to mid, mid tab text. This is my text. Start number of characters, comma. From where to start? Let us suppose I don't want this. Everybody, I'm speaking something. Wait. What are you asking? Tell me. Left, right. Previous to that. Before this, what was there? If else is not clear to you, we have seen in that beginning, in last week we have seen if else condition. So I'm again and again telling, do it repeatedly. In class we are doing one time, it is easy, we'll understand, but you will forget it also very easily. After 2 days, after New Year, next day if I ask you, you'll forget. We learned that in last year, sir. I'll tell like this. Okay. So mid start let us suppose I don't want the first 2 letters from this. I want to start from MBAI. I want to start from this M. So what is the value? 1, 2, 3. Start num. I want to start from this M. So value is 3. After this, how many characters I want? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 characters. Let us suppose 4. Round bracket close. So MBI is coming. My starting value 1, 2, 3 M. Yes. From M, how many I want? 4. So MBAI 4. It's coming, right? So this is like mid. So I am fetching all the mid values. Now in Delhi, DELHI. So from L4, 4 letters. So LHI space. Here space is also there. Getting it? Just do this mid. Is that done? Yes. Now see, everybody in this formula, in right, if I do from right side, I want 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'll get? Pin code? Yes or no? From right side, if I do 6, all the pin codes I'll get. But for all these cities, from left side, can I give a fixed number? Can I give a fixed number from left side? No, because Mumbai's length is different. Delhi, Pune, Chennai, all's length is different, right? Here pin code, all pin code length is same, 6. So that's why from right side I told 6. So all the pin codes I got. Yes or no? But from left side, I want all these names. So in this formula, I want to give another value. Let us suppose if I give this value, okay, Mumbai will come, like all names are coming, but in each I'm giving a different number. Now how this number came? Because of find formula. Now what I'm doing, equal to find tab, find text, within text. So find what? Space, because in this we have space. So find space within text, this. So what is this? Space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Space is at 7th position. Yes or no? Getting it? Space is at 7th position. So this formula minus 1. This is the length of my city name. Say yes or no? Getting it, everybody? See, Delhi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. So now all this I'll pass to this left. So here what I'll write? Left, find, tab, find text. What I want to find? Space, comma. Within text, this. Okay? Round bracket close. Minus 1. Mumbai came. Similarly, all the formulas adjusted. Getting it, everybody? Do it. Done, everyone? Those who are done, they can pack up for today. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.